Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. This is actually a collab video with Our Little family. She's doing a grocery haul. I done a grocery haul. We're uploading the same day. You definitely need to check the description box out for a link to her channel. Go show her some love. She does Dollar Tree videos, hauls, stuff like that. So definitely check her and her sweet little family out. And her channel is Our Little Family once again, and check the description box for the channel link. This is such a fun collab to do together. Thank you for wanting to do a collab with me. Stay tuned, you guys, and you need to subscribe and ring the bell to both of our channels so you don't miss any other upcoming collabs we have planned. Our grocery haul. I have a lot of random things to share with you, a bunch of cabinet stocking, and yes, we're gonna get right into it. And it's a little mumbo jumbo because I'm trying to get it up and it's not too organized right now. I got some cheddar broccoli rice. Connor likes that one. I got some beef rice-a-roni, 2 of the creamy 4 cheese rice-a-roni. I did pick up 3 of these chow mein chicken flavored noodles. I've been craving these, so I got those. And with those, I got some chicken egg rolls. Got some applesauce in the jar, some Prego flavored meat sauce here for recipe, and I got some Great Value bread and butter pickles, my favorite pickles, 2 cans of Armour chili with no beans, 2 4-packs of the chunk white tuna in water. I like this tuna. It's like $2.50 for 4 cans, and to stock the cabinet up, and we eat a lot of tuna anyways. And then Great Value corned beef hash for breakfast. They also had these for 68 cents, so I picked Connor up 3 of those, 1 of each flavor they had. Just little juices. I need some sugar, and I got some original buffalo wing sauce, and I got some Kool-Aid, so shark berry thin, 3 of those. I believe 2 of the blueberry or blue raspberry lemonade, and 3 of the orange. That's mine and Connor's 3 favorite Kool-Aids. And I got 2 of the ranch salad dressing mixes. I got an all just gravy mix. And I got a chicken and stars condensed soup. I like this sometimes, especially in fall and winter. And I just kind of thought it might taste good, so I got 1 can of that. I got 2 lunch makers, and it's just the bologna one, and it's just like cheese and crackers. It's easy lunch item, easy thing to put in your purse for like the park or car rides, things like that. And 2 yogurts, more frozen stuff, especially like stuff for dinner. Got some of these dinner yeast rolls, got a package of chicken wings, pork chops, a chuck roast. I did get a Rising Crust pepperoni pizza from Great Value, 2 of the ground beefs. I got a 4-pound bag of the chicken drumsticks, and I got a 3-pound bag of the boneless, skinless chicken breast. And more code stuff so I can put it away. A garlic Texas toast for a side with a meal. I got some corn on the cob, some chicken flavored rice, broccoli florets, and some sweet potatoes. I already have cauliflower and more broccoli in the freezer. I got 18-count eggs, a loaf of bread. Also got 2% milk, chocolate milk, and sweet tea in the refrigerator already. And a quick breakfast item, cinnamon rolls. Final stretch. So I wanted some new coffee creamer. I like the s'mores one. It was good, but I like my vanilla coffee best. So I got a Great Value vanilla caramel coffee creamer, and I prefer the liquid powder also. And then I got a French vanilla coffee, and we got a box of Reese Puffs cereal, and the Big Value box of the strawberry fruit and grain cereal bars, and a tuna pasta. Sometimes Connor likes that. And I thought we would try this Arts and Crafted loaded bacon cheddar macaroni as a side dish here. I also got Connor some of these squeezy patches of applesauce and the palm peach. He has the berry one in the cabinet too, and he loves these. Perfect for purses. I got a no bake original cheesecake for something sweet, and a chocolate fudge brownie box for something sweet. And I picked Connor up some of these flavor blasted goldfish. Put those in snack baggies, perfect for the purse, park, church, all that cool stuff. And a grated Parmesan cheese. And yes, that's the grocery haul. Several meals. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Definitely check the description box for links to In the Kitchen playlist, what's for dinner, and stay tuned because I have a lot of In the Kitchen meals coming at you. So definitely be ready for those. There is at least 4, and 3 of those are already filmed. So stay tuned for that stuff. And I thank you guys always for watching. I hope you enjoyed the grocery haul.